Hello guys, I will be showing you the Anyworld Application Center and how to set an application. So, before we start, you might want to pause your video on some of those parts and press Control C on your computer. Because you're probably on this, believe in your dreams. You're going to need it. So, it'll take you to the Anyworld's apps. Then you're going to want to click play. Then it'll say what it usually says. Then you should be open to the Anyworld's apps section, and it's just saying it's raining tacos to you. If it does not sing it's raining tacos, there's something wrong with it. See? It sings it's raining. Don't ask why I have so many decline. Now, here's some ads. So I'm going to be applying. You can apply for a moderator, an admin, a super admin. To apply for security, you must join the what's it called, Terabyte Services group, and become a staff. To become a business consultant or car dealership, you have 5 minutes to do the application. You have 2 minutes to do this. I'm going to show you the super admin application. You will type a brief sentence to two or more. You don't have to type it, but it will go. I can help. Do not copy what I say. The moderators will read it. The staff will read it, and we'll make sure that you have not copied me. The Anyworld community, stay safe. Also, to keep the, what's it gonna say, Roblox community safe. You have good grammar. I'm just going to then you'll click next. Are you active? And you're active, you'll press 10. If you're very much active, you'll press 9. If you're 8, if you're you know, very active, I need to be active to create this game. What will you do for the company since we're up when you apply? Like telling all of Roblox that and make sure people will come and do applications like this. Make sure to tell lots of users to come. Would you spam? Would you spam? No. Would you accept apps? What that means is, if you're a super admin, you will be, you will, what was I gonna say? Yeah. To accept apps, I will show you what to do to accept apps. So why should we choose? I can help the Anyworld community stay safe. If someone had an inappropriate username, what would you do? Why would you kick them? If you kick them, they would be able to come. You'd be friends with them. You'd lose your privileges for someone with an inappropriate username. Bans, they will not be able. What I would do was ban inappropriate usernames are not allowed at Anyworld. What is the Anyworld? There you go. Do you accept Roblox terms of service? Send. You'll send your application and it'll upload it to the Terabyte Services website. Don't add that. Thank you guys. I will be right back. Thank you guys for watching. As you see, it still says unread, but I just accepted my own application, and it'll say accepted. If you got declined, you'll get a message explaining why you got declined. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot on how to send applications. For more info, go to roblox.com. Go to Roblox and go to the Anyworld You know what I mean. Just go to Anyworld for more info. Bye.